ano natira. Kami nahuli. Yung isa meron ka doon. Tapos na ang pagkain namin. Wala na. Uwi na kami kasi close na to. At ito. Soft drinks and socialize. Natapos, balik kami sa aming kwarto. Siyempre, maligo muna tapos gagala ulit. Ang ganda pala dito, guys. At yan na ang nagtatapos ng aming morning breakfast ng mom ko, guys. At ito, maganda to, guys. Dito, hintay na naman ng taxi. Papunta daw sa Chatuchak. Ang ganda, guys. I don't know Marito eh. Is it this one?
2 hours later.
Sakay na nga kami dito. Kaso may music. Ganda, oh. Ang ganda yung car. New car.
Hello? Ay, hindi man.
Dito. Dito na nga kami, guys. Sa harapan ng Bangsu Junction. We are in Chatuchak Market. Oh my gosh! Ang init! Where are they, ma'am? Sobrang init naman to, guys. Asan yung 360?
A few moments later.
Ang daming mabili, guys. As in. Kaso nga lang, haba ng pet shop nila. Dito naman yung mga ganito. Aklo-aklo. This is my second. I'm here, Ma'am Jane. Ang daming mabili para sa mga bebe.
Ah, เธอมันมีตัวใหม่นะ อันนั้นหมดแล้วเหรอ
Oh, mas busy ba? At ito ang Chatuchak Market, guys. Sa kagilagitnaan ng araw. Maglalakad. Hahanapin yung dalawa. Asar. Beto ba hit? So now, we're leaving Chatuchak Weekend Market. Sobrang init, guys. Kaya, wag na. Tama na to. Parang Luneta Park. So far, tutu daw, Ken. Tutu! Going home ready, guys. So, time to going home. Bye, Chatuchak Market. Hope to see you again. Sumakay nga kami ng taxi na yan, 6275. At pumunta kami dito sa Inspire Shopping Mall. Kasi yung Christmas tree nilang ganda, guys. Kaso panira yung mataba na alaga ko. Sumasayaw eh. Uwa. Na ang pagkain. another place, another vlog again. Papunta kami sa pet shop. Wow, ang dami-daming doggy. Oh no. It's so cute. You can smile. We are going to inside. Okay. Pasok nga kami dito. Okay, go in. Monkey and doggy shop. Okay, you're welcome. Dumber. Don't buy fish. We see pork first. Okay, also.
Holiday milk boxes.
Hmm.
Mickey can buy what?
Not expensive, guys. Buy clothing for Mickey. And now here we are. Ang daming, guys. Sorry. They more on dog tails. But I don't think you buy toys, he will choose his the girlfriend one. Natapos na nga guys ang shopping namin dito. So, where is it, my mom? Nag-CR na naman. Palagi na lang may masarap. Not much video ngayon kasi more on shopping kami. At kaninang umaga hanggang tanghali, sobrang init. So, konti-konti lang na anuhan ko. At ito, pauwi pa lang. It's 9:40 in the evening. So, ayan. Bukas ulit, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Night market. And we are here at Big C. Ito yung pinakamalaking market. The Market of Bangkok. Ito yung pinakamalaking mall. Lahat lindro, guys. Connecting ganun. So, galing kami doon sa isa. At sa dyan, the Prime Zone. At dyan, OG Big C ngayon. Wow, tapos lakad nang umuwi kasi wala na yung free shuttle bus.